In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new project in Basecamp using a template. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this guide, you'll have your project up and running in no time. Let's begin by logging into your Basecamp account. If you aren't familiar with Basecamp, it's a powerful tool for project management that helps teams stay organized and on track. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen. Here, you'll see various options and past projects, but today, our focus is on starting something new. Look for the button labeled Make a New Project. It's usually easy to spot, likely designed to catch your attention with its prominent placement. Clicking this button will trigger a pop-up window, giving you a few more options to help tailor your new project to suit your needs. Inside this pop-up, your eye is searching for the section called Start with a Template. Basecamp offers several templates that cater to different kinds of projects, and choosing the right one can save you a lot of setup time. You'll be presented with choices such as a client onboarding template, a marketing campaign template, and perhaps a few more depending on your team's presets and usage history. Take a moment to consider the nature of your project and select the template that best aligns with your goals. Once you've made your selection, it's time to get a bit creative and give your new project a name. Choose something descriptive that immediately informs anyone who sees it what the project is about. You also have the option to add a description. This is not mandatory, but a short description can provide context or outline objectives, enlightening your team or clients about the project's purpose and scope. Next, you'll decide whether to invite teammates or clients to your project immediately or at a later time. It's often helpful to have all key players involved from the get-go, but you might prefer to wait until the project's initial details are squared away. Basecamp makes it easy to add people at any stage, so there's no pressure to make an immediate decision if you're still gathering your project team. Finally, with all your selections made, click the Create This Project button. This step formalizes everything you've set up and turns your plan into a tangible framework your team can start using right away. Congratulations! You've just created a new project in Basecamp. Whether it's an internal team project or client-focused undertaking, you're now ready to delve into details knowing you have the right foundation in place. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've harnessed the power of Basecamp's templates to kickstart your project with organization and efficiency. Keep your project's objectives in mind, ensure timely communication with your team, and watch your productivity soar. Happy project managing!